This tool here is probably, like I said, the most powerful tool for doing like simulation type of work on the market, as far as like PLC, robot, the whole thing, especially for full entire systems. Hi, how's it going? Welcome back to the Lead Automation YouTube channel. I'm Malachi, CEO and engineer of Lead Automation. So we're going to go ahead and take you guys into the process simulator software today. This might just be one of the most powerful softwares on the market right now. Definitely one of the most expensive softwares on the market right now. RoboDK would be like, from my experience, would be like the next best thing, and obviously much more affordable. But this tool here is probably, like I said, the most powerful tool for doing like simulation type of work on the market, as far as like PLC, robot, the whole thing, especially for full entire systems. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this thing. We're going to go ahead and open up our process simulator. Another thing we're going to be doing today, basically this video right here, we're just going to show you how to start a new project. So we're going to use the Tecnomatix process simulator version 16.1. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and create the study, and you want this study type to be a RoboCAD study. So this is going to be your actual like project file. So a lot of like these simulation softwares, or like, you know, CAD softwares, you'll have like an overall project file, and then as you see when we go into the next steps of this, kind of some of the other things that are involved whenever you have a project style file. Alright, so we created this, creating some folder. Basically, we're just creating a save location for this particular project. And so, kind of wanted to show this part here. We knew this was going to do this, so this is where the disconnect thing comes from over there. So you have to go to your options, and then you have to go to disconnect right here. So what happens is these 3D softwares like embed themselves into a particular file location, and so they want all their save as-is. See how it says PS videos demo? You have to make sure that you have these save locations directly pointing to the thing that you want to point at, or else like the software doesn't know where to look to find like import files and different things along those lines. So we're just navigating back to the folder real quick. Now we can save it. So now it accepted our save because we had the proper save location. Let's go ahead and go into here again. Demo. This is our robot right here. So this is the robot file. It's our 3D model of our robot. And so one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it right here inside of our library. So we'll just name this one robot. It's a good idea to go ahead and name each individual item that you have. So like if you have a robot, fixture, things like that. So we just pasted that robot inside of that robot folder, and that's partially for organization. It really doesn't matter the naming of that. There is a part here in a second that will show you that does matter when it comes to calling out what the object is. Going back here, just navigating down. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and import. So we're going to go to modeling right here. Then we're going to define a component type. So this is what I was saying a second ago, where you have to define what the object is going to be. So for the process simulator, it has to know what the object is, so that way it can tie the right attributes to that particular object. Alright, now here's where it's going to define the component type. And so we need to tell the process simulator right here what type of file that it is. So if you notice, there's a ton of different options here. So we're going to use robot for this particular instance. Then we're going to say OK. It just let us know that it verified and accepted the type that we put in. And so where this may become, so we're going to go ahead, now we're going to insert a component. So realistically, guys, that was kind of just a super simple example of how to start a project within Process Simulator. And really, the only reason we really made this video was because we didn't see anything on the internet about it. And the second thing is, it could be something that if it's their first time even opening the software, that there could be a hang-up, something that gets them caught up where they can't move forward on with getting started and opening up the application, maybe importing or maybe disconnecting the software. Like, if you just don't know things about that, then you're kind of just at a loss and you don't know what direction to go, and now you're researching the internet. So maybe watching this video will kind of get you started in being able to start a project and import a object into this software. If you'd like to see more videos like this, any more Process Simulator type videos, let us know in the comments below. If there's any other particular type of video that you'd like to see, let us know in the comments, so that way we can try to make those videos for you guys. We're overall just trying to add content that is going to be the most valuable for the entire industry for the most amount of people. And right now we're kind of just doing a little bit of flavor testing and putting a little bit of this out and a little bit of that out, just to see, like, what is the industry really like? What do people really need? We have found that college students tend to need a lot. There's a lot of need on the beginner side of things, and there's a lot of need for specifics on things as well. So, like, a lot of specific content is very useful. But just let us know what you think may be a good video topic, and we'll try to come up with that video, even if it's not for you and you think it may help somebody else out. And if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us on LinkedIn and our other social media platforms. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one.